Michael here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I want to discuss one of the amazing benefits of commercial real estate investing. That is accelerated depreciation through cost segregation. Cost segregation is the IRS-approved process of accelerating the depreciation on a real estate asset by separating non-structural personal assets and land improvements from real property assets. This tax deduction strategy is a way to get into a lower tax bracket. Lower tax bracket equals less taxes, and ultimately more money for you to do the things that you love to do. Typically, real estate assets are depreciated over 39 years for commercial properties like retail and office, and 27.5 years for residential properties like multifamily. A cost segregation study breaks down and reclassifies certain interior and exterior components of a building to personal property or land improvements and depreciates them over a 5, 7, or 15-year period. Some items that these studies include are carpet, wall coverings, accent lighting, sidewalks, landscaping, furniture, and so much more. However, land remains undepreciable, and the building itself will still have to be depreciated over 27.5 or 39 years, depending on its classification. Additionally, thanks to the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, used personal property placed into service after September 2017 is eligible for 100% bonus depreciation. That means real estate investors can deduct 100% of the 5, 7, and 15-year property all in the first year. Bonus depreciation will not be around much longer, so now is the time to take advantage of it. Cost segregation is a powerful tool on its own, but bonus depreciation supercharges this power. It's like Popeye eating a can of spinach and protecting all of your money from the grips of Uncle Sam. Cost segregation has the potential to benefit any property. However, owners of a larger multifamily or commercial properties will benefit the most from these studies and should definitely consider having a study done. At Adventurous Real Estate Investors, we perform cost segregation studies on all of our multifamily properties, and we structure our syndications and entities in a way that we can pass along the benefits of cost segregation to our limited partners. Finally, I'm not a CPA, so please check with your CPA to better understand how you can leverage the power of cost segregation. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.